Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can view your event invitations you receive in the OneCalendar app. So let us begin. Alright guys, so launch the OneCalendar app, and as you probably know, you can invite your contacts, for instance, to events, and your friends and contacts can do the same with you and invite you to an event. They do that, for example, by navigating to the event and by using the invitation link here, or by inviting you through an email invitation. So how can you find out if you have been invited? Well, first and foremost, if the given contact or friend of yours has sent you an invitation via email, obviously navigate to your email inbox the given invitation has been sent to. But also guys, there's another option. If you, for example, get invited through an invitation link and you have, for example, accepted it, or you would like to accept it, you can check these also via the invites button here to the right. And there you will see new invitations as well as those you have declined. And that's how it works, guys. So these are the two ways. Of course, there's also way number 3. If the given user has sent the invitation link via, for instance, a direct messaging service like WhatsApp or Telegram. So you may check, in this case, check your account there as well, and you will find the invitation link from the given contact to the event here on OneCalendar there as well. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.